Welcome back to ExplainCAD. In this tutorial series, in every video we will create some parts. In first video, we will create a base part. This part, first of all, I have to create a rectangle 70 mm this side and 36 mm this side. I select top plane, sketch, normal, select rectangle, center point, and draw one rectangle here. Right click, select option, smart dimension, 71 mm this side and 36 mm this side. Right click, select option, go to features, extruded boss base feature and extrude up to 15 mm. Select midplane, 15 mm, select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Now we create 4 rectangles, corner rectangles, 17.5 mm this side, and in this side this is 36 and this is 10 mm, 36 minus 10, 26, this is 13 this side and 13 this side. Rectangle, corner rectangle, draw one rectangle at every corner. Right click, select option, smart dimension, this side 13 mm and this side 17.5. Right click, select option, select this line, press and hold control button, select this line and this line, make equal. Similarly, select this line, press and hold control button, select this line and this line, make equal. Select OK. Come back from this sketch, extruded cut 15 mm. You can also select through all, select OK. Now we create these holes. First hole is at the center of this part. This is 10 mm through all. I select this face, sketch, normal. I draw a point at horizon. Right click, select option. The center distance of these holes are 22 mm this side and 22 mm this side. From here to here, this is 7 mm. Again, I select rectangle, center rectangle. Right click, select option, click inside the rectangle and make it construction geometry. Smart dimension, this side 22 mm, this side also 22 mm. Right click, select option. Come back from the sketch. This hole is 10 mm diameter through all. Go to hole wizard, hole, ISO, and from here select the diameter 10 mm, position, 3D sketch. Again select hole wizard. Now these 4 holes are diameter 4 mm through all. From here select hole, ISO, double hole, dimension 4 mm diameter, position, 3D sketch. Select this point, this point, this point, and this point. Select OK. Select this sketch, make it height. Now apply fillets. Radius 7 mm this side and radius 2 mm this side. Select fillet command. First of all, we have to apply 2 mm. Select the corners. Select OK. Again, select fillet command. 7 mm. Now select these corners. Select OK. Now we have to create these holes. Diameter 10 mm. The center distance is 56 mm. I select this face, sketch, normal, try line, midpoint line. Select the center point. Right click, select option, select this line, make it horizontal. Again select this line, construction geometry, smart dimension 56 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, hole wizard, select hole, ISO double hole, size of the hole and diameter, position 3D sketch, select this point at this point, select OK, select the sketch, hide it. Now this part is complete. We have to give it some color. Go to edit appearance, I select green color, select OK, select save, desktop, pneumatic gripper, base part, save. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, explain CAD.